We thank you for choosing AllerPops Prebiotic Lollipop. This video is to demonstrate the oral biofilm cleaning process described in the user's manual. Before you start, check the ingredients lists on the back of the package to see if you're allergic to any of them. Choking hazard. Adults should supervise any use by children under 3 years old. Components of the kit. We've included 12 AllerPops Prebiotic Lollipops. You may need a food thermometer, a washcloth, a pitcher, and a toothbrush. Start about an hour before a meal. Follow these steps once every other day until your symptoms disappear. A. Brushing your teeth with water only. B. Wipe your tongue with a wet washing cloth from the back to the front until most of the mossy biofilm on the top is gone. C. Mix hot and cold water to have water with a final temperature of 120 degrees Fahrenheit plus or minus 1 degree Fahrenheit. Cover the pitcher to keep the temperature. D. Gargle a mouthful of the water for about 10 to 20 seconds. Let the water reach all surfaces inside your mouth. E. Spit out the water and repeat step D for about 5 minutes. Your tongue should be red without any visible mossy biofilm after this process. Repeat from step B if this is not the case. F. Eat 1 AllerPop right after step E. Follow the rest from the user manual. Visit us at nosejunior.com for more information.